I remember well the day she poisoned me. No one else had cared enough to try. How did she uncover all the joys in me? All the way she promised I would die. Every year that passes I desire her more. Anyone who knows us would agree. She's my every fever, flu, and canker sore. She's my only hepatitis B. Not today, I'm dancing on my own. Not today, a dog without a bone. Not today, that rotten rondelay. Not today, not today, not today. Is this the moment where I turn a little gray? Is this the moment where my marriage vows decay? Is this the moment when Morticia runs away? No, not today!